take some mason stains and I'm going to make some underglazes or engobes with it, with this base. And I am very excited because I got to go get some new colors. This mango has me very excited. And I have this beautiful canary yellow. You know, I love my bright colors. And I need to make some red. But I think I'm going to start with this mango because I'm very excited about it. So what I'm going to do, I have these smaller jars. I usually mix them into this size jar, but I actually don't have enough red to refill that with. So I'm going to start with the mango and I'm going to put it into this jar. I'm going to be a little unscientific about this as far as how to fill these jars with the colors. I'm going to guesstimate that it's going to take about 3 of these of the engobe base to fill this with underglaze or engobe because, you know, it's going to become liquid. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to measure. Oh, got to put this down so you're not looking at me anymore. Bye, look at what we're doing. Let's see. There we go. All right. Okay, so I have my mixing bowl here, and this is just an old Weight Watchers scale. You want it to be on grams. I actually have it on ounces right now, so I'm going to switch that to grams. Okay, so I want to know, all right, so that's 6.9 grams, so I'm going to zero that out. Okay, and then I'm going to open the engobe base. I should be wearing a mask, but I'm going wild today. I'll just put it way over there so I'm not breathing it. I'm gonna do it like baking, you know, gotta have a full cup. Okay, so there we go. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and then I'm gonna find out, because this bowl is zeroed out, how many grams that is. Okay, so that's 104 grams. I'm gonna go with 2 of these. I think 3 might be a lot, so. So this should be like 208 grams after I pour this in. I think what I'm going to do is zero this out again to make sure that, well, no, it doesn't matter. All right, here we go. Perfect, 208 grams. Okay, there we go. So now what I want to determine is how much mason stain I want to put in here. It depends on, you know, how deep you want your pigment to be. Usually it's between 10 and 20%. I love this color. I think I'm gonna go, let's say for about 15%. I'm gonna go in the middle. So now I have to get out my trusty calculator because I don't know off the top of my head what 15% of 209 is. All right, 209 divided by 15% equals, that's not right. Let's see, 209 times 15%. Okay, so that would be like 31 grams would be 15%. Is that right? Let's see, yeah, because 20% would be 40. Yep, okay. So this is 31.35. I'm going to push the 0 on the scale. So now it's only going to measure the amount of mason stain that I put in here. So I want 31 grams. To be 15%. Okay, I've got 25. And it's at 30, oh, 29. Sometimes it takes the scale a minute to catch up. Okay, there we are, 31. Okie dokie. Now, isn't that beautiful? Ooh, I'm so excited about that color. Okay, so now I just want to get a little, very carefully going to whisk these together. Take it off the scale now, I don't need that anymore. Okay, now I need water. I'm going to raise this camera up a little bit so maybe you can see down into the bowl better, see what's going on. Okay, so I mostly, whoop. Okay, so I'm just going to start pouring some water in here. Give it a mix. Yep, see that little powder going up there? We don't want that. It's so pretty. Okay. As you can see, we're all lumpy. Put that aside for now. Try and get all this off of here. Stuff's expensive, so. Okay, I'm going to use this little whisk now. Just to get it going, see how much water I have, how much I need. I think that's probably going to be enough water. Okay, that looks lovely. A little thick, but that's okay. Okie dokie. So now we're just gonna use this submersion blender or immersion blender, whatever we call it. All right, and just so we can get it mixed up really nicely. I'm gonna be sure to get all the lumps out of it. I'm really glad I only used 2 cups of the base. Oh my gosh, it looks like cake frosting. It looks good enough to eat. All right, stay still. Okie dokie. Get all this off the sides. Okay, we still need a little more water. It's still quite thick. I think I need to turn this down. It's a little wild. Right. Oh yeah, I don't think that was so necessary. I want to put in a little brushing medium. You don't want too much of this. This is just to help it flow. If you put too much in, it'll make it kind of gummy. We don't want that. So I'm just going to put in blop, blop. Like I said, very scientific. This is a 365 porcelain bisque that I'm putting this on. nice, right? Nice. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna fire this up tomorrow and see how it looks. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.